like how Robert lived right next to it. I wonder what Layla is or whatever.
They're probably out on a trip. Oh man. Oh yeah, Dad and them's not gonna get this one.
You see that piece of paper?
Won't you go up there and help her put that cable back up, please?
I'll go help her.
Let Angel do it. I really don't feel like getting up.
I ain't gonna do it. You know what?
Alright, go. Be careful.
There she goes. This is a really bad storm coming in. Guys, I hope y'all are praying for me because yesterday it was really bad. And today I have a really bad feeling about it that it's going to be way bad, way worse than yesterday. I'm sitting out on my front porch. This is the second thunderstorm that has rolled up on us. I'm sitting on a swing. Goodness.